Headed out to Colfax, Louisiana. Today's video is brought to you by Innovative Touch. In today's video, we're going to be installing a privacy fence. Yeah, we're going to make sure all of our holes are 24 inches deep, so that way we got good support in the ground holding up concrete. Yeah, it looks pretty good right there. Let me check that out. Yeah. So we're getting our string line. We're going to get everything set up so that way we can get it all set up. Now that we got everything set up, we're going to make sure everything leveled off. We're going to run our string line and make sure everything's at the same height. Yeah, it's looking pretty good, coming along pretty good. We got everything kind of at the angles we want. See, I got my string line across the top so that way we can get our pickets going, get all of our pickets lined up. So far, everything looking pretty good. Make sure y'all hit us up at Innovative Touch. You can find us on Instagram at Innovative Touch Inc. Yeah, we got our brackets on for our fence so that way they can pivot. Everything can hinge good. We got everything swinging pretty good. Let me check this out. Yeah, we got everything lined up pretty good, everything's braced off, everything's level, sturdy. Everything's looking pretty good. We got our hardware on, we got our latches on. We checking it out, make sure everything's lined up and buttoned up so that way we can get ready to let the customer know that we got the fence ready. One good little check real quick. See how it's looking, everything's looking pretty good. You know, that's Innovative Touch. Hit us up on Facebook. That's INNOVATIVETOUCH. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good. If y'all need any privacy fence or any type of fence or hurricane fence or anything, just be sure to hit us up. Check us out on the web at Innovative Touch. Till next time, follow us on me on Instagram at DERTY318. That's DERTY_318. Follow me on Instagram and on YouTube at DERTY318.